Did you know the average college student wastes 12 hours a week on tasks AI can do in under 60 seconds? That's almost 2 full workdays every single week, blown on busy work. Schools aren't teaching you this. Your professors probably don't even know it exists. But there are 5 AI study hacks right now that will cut your workload in half and get you better grades at the same time. Here's the thing: AI isn't about cheating. It's about working smarter. The students who learn these 5 hacks are graduating with higher GPAs and way more free time. The ones who don't are still copying textbook passages by hand like it's 1995. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button in the corner right now. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video that actually saves you time. Do it! Stop spending 4 hours reading 20 articles to write 1 paragraph. Tools like NotebookLM and Perplexity let you upload entire textbooks, research papers, and lecture notes, then ask specific questions. Upload your syllabus, and the AI tells you exactly what's relevant for your paper. No more hunting through 50 browser tabs. Here's the trick: instead of asking "summarize this," ask "explain this concept like I'm a total beginner, then show me how it connects to my thesis." The difference in output quality is night and day. Want to take it further? Upload your professor's previous grading feedback and ask the AI to evaluate your outline against their grading criteria before you write a single word. Students using this approach cut research and prep time by 70% while getting better feedback before they even submit. You know what nobody has time for? Making flashcards by hand. Yet most students still do it. AI tools now generate perfect flashcards from your lecture recordings, textbook chapters, or even YouTube videos. Drop a 1-hour lecture recording into a tool like Recall or StudyFetch, it generates a complete set of flashcards with spaced repetition scheduling included. Here's the part they don't tell you: the AI also identifies which concepts you're weakest on and shows you those cards more often. It's like having a tutor who knows exactly what you don't understand. Students who use this retention hack score an average of 15% higher on exams. Writing essays is where most students burn the most time. Here's the hack: use AI to build your argument structure first, before you write a single word. Tools like Claude and ChatGPT can take your thesis statement and generate a complete essay outline with counterarguments, evidence points, and topic sentences. The key is not letting the AI write the essay for you. The key is using it as a thinking partner. Feed it your professor's rubric and ask, "Show me 3 different argument structures for this thesis, ranked by how well they match this grading criteria." Pick the best structure, then write the actual content yourself. Your writing will be better and faster because the hard thinking is already done. Here's a pro move that top students use: paste in 3 A+ essays from previous semesters on different topics, then ask the AI to extract the structural patterns that got those A's. Apply that same structure to your current essay. You're not copying content, you're reverse engineering what your professor rewards. That's the difference between a B student and an A student in 2026. You're probably taking notes during class and missing half what the professor says. There's a better way. Use an AI transcription tool like Otter or Fireflies to record and transcribe your lectures in real time. While the AI captures every word, you focus on actually understanding the material and asking questions. After class, the AI generates a searchable transcript, highlights key terms, and creates a summary. Missed a point? Just search the transcript. Need to study for the midterm? Ask the AI to extract every definition and formula from the past month of lectures. Students who do this report cutting study time by 40% while actually remembering more. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first, and tomorrow I'm covering AI tools that will literally write your emails and manage your inbox. You don't want to miss it. Here's the final hack, and it's the most powerful one. Most students study inefficiently by accident. They cram the night before, then wonder why they don't retain anything. AI scheduling tools like Goblin Tools and Motion analyze your class schedule, assignment deadlines, and energy patterns to build an optimized study schedule. The AI figures out the best time of day for you to study each subject based on your past performance. It schedules review sessions right before you're about to forget the material. That's called spaced repetition, and it's one of the most proven learning techniques in cognitive science. It even guards your focus time so you don't schedule meetings during your peak productivity window. Students using AI scheduling consistently report getting the same amount done in 3 hours that used to take 8. That's not a productivity hack. That's a life hack. That's 5 AI study hacks that will save you 10 hours a week in 2026. Let me know in the comments which hack you're trying first, and be honest. Are you already using AI to study, or is this all new? I read every comment. Subscribe right now, because tomorrow I'm covering AI automation tools that run your entire digital life for you. The subscribe button is right there, tap it. YouTube's about to recommend another video for you. Watch one more before you go. I'll see you in the next one.